How much should you actually spend on a chainsaw? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Zozin Chainsaw Mill. First up is the Zozin Chainsaw Mill, priced at $79.99. The unique design caught my eye, and with a rating of 4.4 stars from over 1,100 reviews, it's clearly popular. If you want a flexible cutting guide system for your logs, this is worth a serious look. This chainsaw mill is compatible with chainsaws having a bar length between 14 to 36 inches. It allows you to adjust the milling height and width for slabs, ranging from 1/2 to 12 thick. The sturdy aluminum alloy and steel construction means it's built to last, which is crucial when you're out in the field. Plus, the patented design means you can use it in 3 different sizes for added portability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you need to mill lumber on the go, this portable setup lets you create beautiful slabs right where the tree falls. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial hurdle, the ease of use and flexibility is worth it. If you're a DIY builder or woodworker, this is perfect for you. However, if you need something for heavy-duty professional use, you might want to consider other options. The value for money here is excellent, especially for beginners. Now, if the assembly issue with the Zozin bothered you, this next product offers a more straightforward setup. Product number 2, EGO Power Plus Chainsaw. Next, we have the EGO Power Plus Chainsaw, a battery-powered option priced at $329. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 2,200 reviews, it's clear people love this saw. If you're looking for a powerful, eco-friendly chainsaw that's easy to use, this one's worth your attention. This chainsaw features a high-efficiency brushless motor that matches the power of a 40 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw. It offers chain speeds up to 20 meters per second, which translates to quick and clean cuts. The included 4.0 Ah battery provides up to 220 cuts per charge on a 4x4, making it perfect for those quick jobs without the hassle of gas. Here's why this matters for you. If you're tired of gas fumes and want an easier, cleaner alternative, this chainsaw is a fantastic choice. However, some users mentioned that it could be a bit heavy for extended use. But honestly, the power and efficiency you get with this chainsaw more than make up for that weight. This is perfect for homeowners or anyone needing a reliable tool for occasional tree trimming. But if you're looking for something lighter for overhead work, you might want to look elsewhere. For the performance, the price is quite fair. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for raw power. Product number 3, Husqvarna 460 Rancher. Coming in third is the Husqvarna 460 Rancher, a gas-powered beast priced at $649. With a 4.5-star rating from over 526 reviews, it's a go-to for serious woodworkers. If you want something that combines power and ease of use, this is definitely worth considering. This chainsaw packs a 60.3 cubic centimeters, 3.6 HP x torque engine, ensuring maximum performance even at lower RPMs. The 24-inch bar is suitable for tackling larger logs, and the automatic adjustable oil pump means you'll spend less time worrying about maintenance and more time cutting. Here's why this matters. When you're working on tough jobs, you need a chainsaw that won't let you down, and this model delivers. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit pricey compared to others on the market. But here's the thing. If you're serious about your woodcutting, the investment pays off in performance and reliability. This is perfect for professionals or serious hobbyists. If you're just looking for something to trim your backyard trees, maybe consider a less powerful option. But for the money, it's a solid investment. Now, if the price point of the Husqvarna was a concern, the next product I have is not only more budget-friendly, but also quite capable. Product number 4, Works 20V Jaw Saw. Fourth on our list is the Works 20V Jaw Saw, priced at $134.99. With a rating of 4.4 stars from over 2,300 reviews, it's popular for good reason. If you want a safe and easy-to-use saw, this model is a great option. What sets the Jaw Saw apart is its fully protective guard, making it one of the safest chainsaws around. It can cut through branches up to 4 inches in diameter with a single-action cutting mechanism, which makes it incredibly user-friendly. Here's why this matters for you. If safety is a top priority, especially for beginners or those with less experience, this chainsaw is designed specifically with that in mind. However, some users have noted that it's not the best for larger logs. But honestly, if you're mainly tackling smaller branches in yard cleanup, this is the perfect tool. This is great for casual users or those looking for something lightweight and manageable. But if you're dealing with bigger projects, you might want to skip this one. For the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if the lighter cuts of the jaw saw don't fit your needs, the final product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 5. Submixtools 62 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw. Finally, we have the Submixtools 62 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw, priced at $119.99. This one has a 4.1 star rating from nearly 600 reviews. If you're looking for a powerful chainsaw without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. This chainsaw features a 62 cubic centimeters 2-cycle engine that delivers plenty of power for cutting through larger logs and trees. The 20-inch guide bar is designed for efficient cutting, making it a solid choice for both homeowners and professionals alike. Here's why this matters. If you need a reliable saw that doesn't compromise on performance, this model can handle a variety of tasks from tree trimming to felling trees with ease. Some users have mentioned it can vibrate a bit during use. But I'll be real with you, given the power and price, it's something you can manage with a little technique. This is perfect for anyone needing a reliable chainsaw for various jobs. But if you're only looking for a saw for light trimming, you might want to consider something smaller. Overall, it's a fantastic value for what you get. That wraps up our top 5 chainsaws for ripping logs. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but it really comes down to what fits your needs best, whether it's portability, power, or safety. To recap, we've covered the Zosen chainsaw mill for portability, the Egeo Power Plus for eco-friendly power, the Husqvarna for serious performance, the Works Jaw Saw for safety, and the Submixtools for budget-friendly reliability. Each one has its unique benefits, so choose the one that aligns with your cutting needs.